I got the confident coming to before and after these sessions happened. The way confident I was built because of there is some back support. Confident is like B10x. Whatever the Adityas were delivering the content was was not a fixed content. It was like updating content according to the market. So I got the confidence that even if AI hit the market also. I can able to stand in the market in one of them, and I can manage the things based on AI, and also I can secure my job with this AI also. Like
That's
this
that.
confident I gained in from the B10x workshop.
Hi Shiva, thank you for being with us. Shiva, this is Aman from Be10x, and I would first of all like you to introduce yourself to us. Please go ahead, Shiva. Tell us about yourself.
Hi Man, so thanks for uh, introducing. So I am introducing myself. My name is Andri Shivakiran. I have graduated from IIT Hyderabad. So from the computer science BTech. I have started with the business development associate in one of the organizations, Shastas, and then after I work with a Wipro. So after Wipro, currently I am working in ICICI as a senior business analyst now. So coming to Wipro to coming to this position, in between I joined like a B10x program, which was help related to AI related preparing assignments and presentations to the client. So they are like that. Like for example, I used the Gamma AI, which was Aditya was shown in the sessions. So I use that and I prepare presentation and I use Canvas and make it happen. So finally, I got into this ICICI working as a senior business analyst. So
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So, Shiv, how did you come across our program?
while I was scrolling into Instagram, somewhere advertisement was came. Like I attended that. I enrolled to that workshop, and some 200 change was there, including that sources, resources, and everything. So I was paid that thing, and I joined on that one Sunday and attended that workshop. So it was quite interesting, and at the time my situation was like I don't have job. I left the previous job and I was searching for another job. In meanwhile, I thought to again upskill based when I attended this workshop. So I thought this is some. It will be helpful for me for a future also. So I attended workshop and I like the way both Adityas were explaining the session and interacting way. So then after I enrolled into the main course. After enrolling into the main course, I attended like sessions like every Saturday and Sunday. They used to plan, and also recently they planned for income related. Trading and that related. So I attended that session also by Pratik sir and other. So it was also helpful for me in gaining knowledge. So that was interesting and it was helpful for me also.
Oh, that's very nice to hear. That's very nice to hear, Shiv. So I'm curious, Shiv, were you able to use whatever you have learned in our mastery course? Were you able to implement that in your own personal life or professional life, or how has our mastery course helped you?
This is basically this AI, however, it is getting helpful for me. I mean, uh, for example, prompt engineering class was taken by Aditya. So how to give that prompt is also most important than giving the rather prompts. So that was also helpful for me. And the types of prompts, how can we can get the exact what we are expecting that thing. So whenever I want to do some mails or any data related work, so I am asking based on the prompts, using the prompts, using in office also. Even now while working with Excel or everything, it was getting helpful for me actually. So that's the way in a personal life and also office way also it was getting helpful for me.
No, that's very nice. That's very nice. Um, Is there, so what would you say, what change have you felt in yourself since you have joined the course? What were you before using AI effectively, and what do you feel now?
In a single word, I can say that I got the confident when coming to before and after the sessions happened. Like the way confident I was built because of there is some back support. Confident is like Be10x like that. I was it was built like that. The confident. Previously, it was like a whether we can do or it may take some time or maybe I can do or not like that. But the way when I was attending these sessions, it was built inbuilt me like a confident way. Now I can do anything like that.
Mm-hmm. That's very nice to hear, Shiv. Um, what would you say to someone who's thinking about purchasing a course?
Yeah. So regarding this, I actually also googled Be10x related. I see many people was saying it was like a they will cheat us, they will eat us, they will eat our money, they will cheat like everything. The reviews I seen, but I directly attended these sessions and whatever the Adityas were delivering the content was not a like delivering was not a fixed content. It was like updating content according to the market. That's the way that the thing I like that. So it was not like a already there. The whatever the subject is, they are not delivering that. They are always trying to upgrade the. I mean, completing the market based on that. They are delivering the content. So that's the thing. Actually, we need everyone need actually.
True. Without
Because in the market they will be sharing the content which was already existing content they were sharing, but they Aditya's, even I was also IIT graduate, so I know how they Aditya's also they think. So I was like I like the way they are also going that way. I mean, we need research and then we need to deliver, and again at the time of the session also they were doing live, they were making the live session in the interactive way. It's like a very interactive sessions. Even that 3 hour session, we won't get a bored in that sessions also.
True. We try to pack as much value as we can. We call it value per minute. So
Yes.
it was great that you were able to receive a good value per minute, and even in a 3 hour session, you were not bored at all. That's great. That's great. Shiv, Shiv. One last thing that I would love to ask you is, do you feel positive about upcoming future? Do you feel that now you will be able to tackle, even though AI is now present everywhere, and do you feel confident that basically in future, even though AI is today in the news for a lot of negative reasons, but do you feel confident that yes, you'll be able to handle whatever comes?
Yes. Of course, I got the confidence that even if AI hit the market also, I can able to stand in the market in one of them, and I can manage the things based on AI, and also I can secure my job with this AI also. Like the confident I gained in from the Be10x workshop and from the lessons which are taught by the Adityas. And always, and there is an course content is there, lifetime access is there. Anytime I can able to access that course, and anytime I can go with that course also.
That's great. That's great, Shiv. That's great that you feel so positive. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us?
I mean, the feedback which I want to give is that whatever the Adityas, they were doing the hard work, which was delivering to the professionals or the students or the everyone. It was really great, and we would also like that the way they are with us. Even we do some study, they are also doing the study. They are not stopping stopping somewhere. They are always thinking about. According to the market only they were going. And whenever the new AI tools or anything is getting, they are always getting to. They are always updating us, and all the support which we are getting like from the Be10x, like whenever we approach and the team is calling, doing follow-ups, right? And that's the thing we liked most. I mean,
That's great. That's very nice to hear, Shiv. We always try to give our best to each and everybody, and I am glad that you recognize that, and you also benefited from our work. That's great, Shiv. That's very nice to hear from you.
yeah, thank you, Anand.
All right. Thank you, Shiv. Thank you very much for your valuable time and for your valuable feedback. Thank you. That's it for today.